Hello visitors, welcome to 5 Minute School. If we want to learn a new language, we must have a general knowledge of that language. Bengali is one of the beautiful languages in the world, and it is the language of the Bengali nation. The mother tongue of Bangladesh is Bengali. 30 crore people around the world speak Bengali. Now we will learn this beautiful language in the form of tutorials. The most important thing is to know, recognize, write and speak out the letters of that language. For example, English has A, B, C, etc. There are Ka, Kha, E, A, etc. in Bengali. If you want to learn Bangla language, you have to learn especially Sharbarno, Banjan Barno, Kar, Fola, Shankha or number, etc. But if you want to learn at pro level, you must learn Bangla grammar. Now we will learn Bengali alphabets. Let's start. I will discuss the car symbol in the next video. In fact, car is used to create new words. At first, we'll learn Sharvarno. See this picture. Here are 11 Sharvarno text. There are total 11 Sharvarno in Bengali language. Now we will learn to pronounce in stage. If you want to write and learn, please let us know in the quick comments. The video will be made soon. We are now learning the pronunciation. I am pronouncing by marking. This one is Shoryo. This one is Shoya. This one is Rashoi. This one is Dirghoi. This one is Rashu. This one is Dirghu. This one is Ri. This one is A. This one is Oi. This one is O. And this one is O. I think today's discussion seems clear to you, but if it seems unclear, there must be a comment box and stay with us to learn Bangla language. Stay tuned by liking, commenting, sharing and subscribing. Thanks.